guys, in this video we will be making a mini volcano.
Yes. And for that, what do we need?
We need this, that.
Okay, you will need
this,
a
and that.
lemon
Yes, no, first we need baking powder.
we need the baking powder, yes, of course, and we need some color. We will be using red color for our experiment. You can use any color.
So you might be asking why everything is a bit red. That's because we failed the experiment last time.
Yes, but this time, hopefully, it will work.
Okay.
First, we need baking soda, and we can just pour some baking soda here, or we can use that spoon to put the baking soda. So I have put some baking soda in it. Okay, and in another fake mountain thing. In this, we will be mixing our things. So we have already put some red color in this bottle.
That was from our failed attempt.
Yes. Can you please open it?
Okay. Ta 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 ta.
Okay. Now we are going to squeeze the lemon juice in our red color mixture. So you can squeeze as you can fill it half of it or a little less than half of it. It's up to you. So I'm squeezing it, and you can see that our red color mixture with the lemon juice has been prepared. Okay, now my assistant will use a pipette to get some of the lemon juice and put it in the baking powder.
Yoink.
Wait for it. Put it on the other, and look, our volcano has starting to erupt. There is a chemical reaction between the baking powder and the lemon juice.
I think this one needs a bit more.
Yes, put more. Put more. It should erupt. Yes. So our volcano is erupting. So it's a simple experiment, but it's a fun experiment. And you will need some adult supervision to do it, because lemon juice, yes, it's a little sour.
But that one just exploded.
Put some in it, and one of the volcano exploded more. So I'm putting some more lemon juice in it.
Maybe that one just needs a bit more baking powder.
And it also started to erupt. More lemon juice and more baking soda means more eruption. Thank you very much, guys, for joining us. We will be doing these kinds of experiments as well. Please like, share, and subscribe our Factioner Gaming channel. We will see you next time. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.